Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make crab dipping sauce. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Don't forget the fresh lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon, and a dash of hot sauce for a little kick. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's elevate those flavors. For an aromatic touch, finely mince 1 clove of garlic and add it to your mixture. Fresh chives, about 2 tablespoons, bring a lovely mild oniony note. If you want that classic seafood restaurant taste, a half teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning is a must. For a smoky depth, try a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. It truly transforms the sauce. The preparation is incredibly straightforward. In a medium bowl, combine your mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and hot sauce. Whisk these together until they are completely smooth and creamy. Then, gently fold in your minced garlic, chives, Old Bay, and smoked paprika. Ensure everything is evenly distributed, creating a beautifully consistent sauce. For the best flavor, chill your crab dipping sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's perfect with steamed crab legs, delicious crab cakes, or even as a dip for fresh vegetables. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, ensuring you can enjoy it again soon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.